Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to export render passes from Blender to Nuke. It's simple and easy process. Let's get into the video. Firstly, go to render properties and change render engine to cycles engine. Then go down and select noise threshold in render option and give its value as you wish to, according to your scene. The lower the value, the more noise reduces. For this scene, 0.0500. If your scene is complex, you can always follow these steps. Increase threshold value, lower sample value, activate the noise in render option, double up resolution. Now coming back to this, give a max bounce as 12. Check your resolution before rendering any scene. Now go to layer properties, then go to passes. In data, select all AOVs you want. Now go to resolution. Give to output directory. Give format as OpenEXR multilayer. Now hit on render. Now go to image, click on save as and name it as per your scene. We are done. Let's get into Nuke and see if it is rendered properly. Import the rendered AOV. Now add an layer contact sheet and see if it is rendered all AOVs. Perfect. Follow these steps and render our scene from Blender. If you want composting tutorial in Nuke, please do comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.